Hi guys, Drew here from F.R.E.D Camping, and today I'm looking at another little cheap item I got off of Amazon. It's a 2-in-1 vegetable peeler and can opener. The design is based on the sort of folding can openers that were given to soldiers in ration packs, like the P51 and the P38. So first off, this was how it was designed to be used, was to open cans. The little slot on the side hooks on the edge of the can, and that lets you lever it so the cutting blade can cut through the lid. And then you simply apply pressure, and then as you're making your cuts, turn the can and work your way around. It's quite simple, really. Now, the original P38 and P51 can openers that were put in the ration packs, this is all they were designed for. But this actually has a couple of other uses as well. So let's check them out. Now, as this is a modern reproduction, they've also put a couple of little blades into it, so it's quite handy to use as a vegetable peeler. As you can see here, yeah, it works alright. It's a little bit fiddly, but it does the job. So you can take the skin off your vegetables or your apples or whatever. And you can also use it on small branches to make little wood shavings for starting a fire, for kindling, or to make, you know, tiny little feather sticks. It's actually pretty good at this, to be fair. Again, like same as with vegetables though, it's a little bit fiddly, but you know, it's doable. Now, the edges on it are fairly good 90 degrees, so it works pretty well as a fire striker as well. Voila! Now this one's a bit trickier. The gap to lock it onto the side of the can isn't quite large enough to work on a bottle cap properly. But with a little bit of persistence, you can use it to slowly lever the cap off. Very slowly, it turns out. There you go. Well deserved. Cheers. So, thanks for watching, guys. It's a handy little item to keep on your keys or in your everyday carry. Till next time, take care.